Guys, it is okay? Guys?
Yes.
Yes, okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
So, right. Why it is not identifying that true in the sense, here, when you're using this heap memory, that heap memory, when you're assigning that same character, so whatever it is, maybe when you're creating or when you start that objective type, that address and that memory also is different location. And here in the pool memory, when you're using this character in the if you using the same character, that cat, if it is identified that same character, then same address it can be located in one particular area in that pool memory. But here that heap memory is the different. So here you have to using the same character and same variable also. So in that purpose it can be created and different type of location, different type of memory also. In that's why it is not identified whenever you're calling that. See here. Yes. See here. When you're calling the same memory here, S2 and S4. So in that's why in same character also you have to using, but that character, if you want to using that same character, then that memory is different and address also is different. In that's why it is not true. That's why
Yes, sir.
yes, it is not true. So here, whenever you whenever you using this S1 equal to S3, when you're comparing these two variables, but this is the pool memory. When you're using the same characters, it can be located only one particular area. In that way, S1, S3 is the same location. In that way, it can be given a true value. Ana, మనం
Okay, sir.
చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా already.
Sir, sir.
Girls, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
శాంతి
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? Hmm.
Aర్థమైంది.
That's why when you're comparing this S1, S3, that's why it is giving the true. But here, this S2 and S4 objective type. So this memory is the location is the different, address is the different, but character
Memory
is
is
the
different.
same. Yes. Yeah, memory.
Sir.
Memory is the same or
Memory
different
and
memory.
address is different. Different, sir.
Address is the different and memory also different and objective type objects also is different. And that's why it can be, it is not a equal. It is a not a equal. So when you're using this to string, when you're using this string in this Java, in that purpose, you have to use, you have to use just don't use this equal to, using this equal operator. Just you have to use, when I am assigning this forward slashes, how it can be converted in front of these lines, I have to using in double forward slashes. How it can be converted?
Comment lines.
What type of tell me that.
Comment lines, sir.
uh,
Comment lines.
yes, exactly. Whenever you're using this double forward slashes, it is a converted to comment line only. So whenever using this comment line, it is any identifying any error as error.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no. Whenever using this comment lines, it is only information. In that way, that program it cannot be considered those
Yes, sir.
those lines. Okay, and here
Okay.
and here I have to using this type of equal. Okay, so whenever using this type of equal and parenthesis, this one, what is this one? This is a constructor.
Constructor.
No, this is a method.
Para.
This is a method. Yes, this is a method. Whenever you're using this parenthesis, within the parenthesis you have to using this parenthesis. So in that way, this is not a constructor, this is a method only. And here you have to using this in this parenthesis, you have to using what type of things you have to using, double quotations and operator. So in that's why this is only constructor only. This is constructor only, and here you have to using parameterized methods. Okay, parameterized methods
Methods.
method. So here S1 and S2, these are all equal or not. So in that purpose, just you have to using in this line only. Okay. So I have to check it. Yes. Whenever using this method, equal method, whenever using this in this Java, it can be identified. So this is equal or not. So this is actually the same class you have to using this type of string and
Method.
Methods.
yeah method. So in that way, it is a given a true. Is given a true, and some of the difference you have to using. Tell me that different type of in this method only you have to compare s1 s3 s1 s2 and different type of comparisons. Just you have to tell me
S1 dot equals S4.
s1
S2 dot S4.
ఎందుకు చెక్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నారో కూడా ఒకసారి ఆలోచించుకుని మీరు చెప్పండి. అదే మీ లోపల
S4, sir.
s1 ఈక్వల్
S4.
s4. Why you are checking about that?
పై చెక్ చేసాం కదా అట్లాగే.
Why you are what you have to what is it define? What purpose you have to define that in this line? S1 and S4. S1 and
Yes, sir.
S4. Yes. Same functionality purpose. S1 and S2.
Same
This,
class name.
yes, this director string and objective string, it is equal or not. And S1 and S4 also, it is equal or not. In that purpose, you have to checking about that line actually. Just you have to compile.
ప్రింట్ ఎలా కొడుతుంది?
What is that?
టీ ప్రింట్
Okay,
టీ
okay, okay, okay.
జీ దీని జీ
Sir,
జీ
you have to remove G, sir.
G. Yes. So that is also true. And the third one, tell me about other person. Any combination?
S2
Sir, S3
S3
equals S4.
S1
equals
X1
S1,
S1 సార్.
S3 and S1. Okay.
Maybe false.
ఈ ఫాల్స్ చెప్పేస్తుంది.
What you have to guess?
False, sir.
False.
ట్రూ సార్. ట్రూ
How can you guessing that true?
క్యారెక్టర్ రెండు ఓకే.
Hmm. Just check about that. It is also true. It is also
True.
so here what you have to decide in the sense here.
Direct memory.
Yes, whenever you using the string class or string that particular string you whenever using in Java, don't use this equal to operator. Don't
Yes,
use
sir.
equal to operator. Whenever using that string, then you have to use in different type of this type of method you have to use. Without the method, you cannot compare that objective type and the direct strings. You cannot compare in this Java. That is the reason actually why I am saying this type of lengthy things. Why I am saying in the sense, and here when you're using in this Java, the comparison of the strings, comparison of that strings. What type of comparison? Objective type and directive type strings. When you're comparing in that purpose, you have to using with a method only. What is that method? That comparison purpose,
Equals.
equal method only you have to use in that particular string comparison. Okay, it here. And one more thing, just you have to tell that you have to check out in another way also. Tell
S2
me that.
ఈక్వల్ టు S4 ప్రింట్ ఎలా.
What is
S2
that? S2
ఈక్వల్ టు
S2 equal to
S4
S2 dot equal to
ఈక్వల్స్ S4
equals
S4
S1
4
S4. Okay.
True.
Yes, true. Whatever it is, Okay, what you have to compare in that string with the using of
Same
yeah,
class
with,
name.
yes, with the using of that equal method, with the using of that equal method, then it can be perfectly comparable in that memory. Okay, so that memory also you have to using in that class. And this what is that, an objective type methods, objective type method also you have to using in that class only. So and direct class is a direct class purpose. When you're using that object, then automatically that memory it can be allocated for class only. And here the string is also class, but that string is the class, that string class is the different in that Java.
Sir.
Yes or no? So that that string purpose, it can be functionality is the different functionality, it can be there in that Java. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, and previous, just you have to check out about the starting class also. In directly calls, you have to using in this type of array, this type of string, and objective type also. That combining that string also, you have to using in this type of consideration. And third one, and here objective type, you have to use in this type of objective type. In that objective type also, you have to using in different type of things. Just you have to compile this program also. And here, and first one you have to use in direct string, and second one is also
Objective.
addition string, and third one also, what is that, S3. Third one is the set your observation, you are thinking, you are directly you have to go that, what is that, objective type.
Objective string.
Yeah, third one is the objective type. And this one, what is this one? What is this one? In class name. In class name, when you directly calling that class name, then it can be given a hash
Package.
value. Hash value in the,
Sir.
that is the thing. And by interview in that interview purpose, they are using with the directly you have to calling that class name, what it can be responding that Java. And అనగానే మీరు ఏమని చెప్పాలి, it respond, it giving
Hash
the
value.
only hash value only అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకేనా? అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్ డైరెక్ట్ క్లాస్ అండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ క్లాస్ అని అడిగినట్లయితే, సో ది స్ట్రింగ్ క్లాస్ is functionality is the different functionality. When you are selecting that string, then you have to press that F3, then that class name it can be given that Java. Yes, is it right or not? Class
Sir.
yes, exactly. And here when you are given the data type, where it is that here, just you have to using that data type integer and s equal to, and for example s equal to 10. So here just you have to select that data type, yeah, then you have to using that F3, then it is not providing any
Values.
yes, any values. Okay, that information it can be defined, that predefined. The data type is a predefined, string is the predefined. No, this is not a predefined.
User defined.
To whom? Yes, exactly, very good. The user defined data type.
User defined.
Yes, that is the differentiation. That is the differentiation. Whenever asking that string in the time string, this string without these questions, they cannot be conducting any interview. That much of importance of these strings. Okay, don't forget, these are all things.
Sir.
Yes, okay. So any doubt in these strings?
No,
And
sir.
and in future also, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow also, in number of methods you have to using in memory. So how it can be responding, and these are all things is there. Don't worry about that one. And this is a very most important. Don't forget anything. So each and everything you should be note down. Okay. And yesterday class లో ఎవరైనా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ ఏమైనా నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా, వైవో క్వశ్చన్స్ టైప్ లో కానీ లేకపోతే ఏదైనా సరే
Yes, sir.
Sir.
నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా? సో వెరీ గుడ్.
Sir.
నేను మీకు క్లాస్ చెప్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కూడా మీకు కొన్ని మీకు దొరకవు, అవి ఆన్లైన్ లో కూడా దొరకవు. సో కాబట్టి మీరు ఏం చేస్తారని అని అనుకుంటే నేను చెప్తున్నప్పుడు దాని వెంటనే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా అడుగుతారు అనేటువంటివి కూడా నేను చెప్తున్నాను కాబట్టి మీరు ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో మీరు వాటిని కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయడానికి చూడండి.
సార్.
సరేనా? ఎవరు కూడా లూజ్ చేయకండి. సరేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే సార్.
ఎస్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ క్లాసెస్ కూడా మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు, హౌ టు క్రియేట్ దట్ క్లాసెస్. డెఫినెట్లీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ పర్పస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఏ సపరేట్ ప్యాకేజ్, separate package. Don't here only in source src, just you have click on that src, then you have to click on right button. Here only you have to create that package. Okay, don't
Sir.
create in this project or KRE also. Don't create in this place that packages. Only just you have to create these packages only on this src, source place only. So
Okay,
when
sir.
you're creating that source place, then it cannot be conflict in other different type of projects. In same names also, it cannot be conflict. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. And here, when you're creating that class, don't create on this source place. Here, don't create any classes. Here, don't create. And here only, just you have to create on the package. Click on the package. Just you have to create the class only. Okay. And some of the persons, they are creating on the source. Don't create here. When you are creating the package, on that package only you have to create the class. Yes.
Okay, sir.
See here, what I am creating that classes, it can be there. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. And every time, no need to create other things or assigning that pass and those are all things. And if you want to create this package, in this class, and again you have to select this source, then you have to create the package, different type of package. And again in that package only you have to create that class, different class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Other persons? Tahir.
Yes.
Tahir late ga join ayyadu.
Sir.
Tahir.
Sir.
నువ్వు లేట్ గా జాయిన్ అయ్యావా?